Finally, I have the lacto. So let's see. I opened the box already. I wiped a little bit. That's why it's look wet. But it's coming with this. It's coming with this. It's not bad. See, it's just a little alcohol pass quickly. So this is the box. Okay, now we got the lacto out. So we're gonna proceed to open the lacto. See, it's look like a little dirty, so that's why I put some alcohol. So we push it. Bam, 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 bam. I opened it by the wrong side. Really? Okay. So I put it by the other side. So see, bam, 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 bam. Here we go. We have the lacto Alienware. Wow, it looks awesome. It looks awesome. I knew, but it's not really new. You see, I have to clean a little bit. The lacto look really fine. So let me pull out the lacto. Of course, careful not broken. And this is the lacto. It's look really nice condition, like basically new. It's like brand new, but not new. So it's like say i7 8th generation. I don't know. I guess yes. It's really nice lacto. Wow. Finally, I have my first Alienware. I buy it by eBay. Wow, so powerful. Lacto. I still all we have RTX now, but for me to have let me show you. This is my other lacto. Sony wire all. That's the one I'm using. So now finally I can get a decent lacto. But it's, okay. I said that the charger is mixing, but the charger is right here. It's one charger. He said that it's like 240 watts, something like that. So for now, it's only unboxing. Then I'm gonna make another video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Then I'm gonna tell you how to run. Let me see. Oh, I like the button. It's not like I was looking for, but it's fine. Hey guys, now finally we have the lactose right here. You can see it's running really well. Also I play games. I try already. This is the screen, that's 17.3 inch. The laptop's coming with also 16 GB RAM and 930 GB hard drives. We see about the optimum. It's right here. Yeah, the customize the screen. Also here, this is the maximum resolution of the lacto. You can see display. You can change it. This is the GeForce. The lacto also have 120 Hz screen. i7 8th generation. The only problem I see in the lacto is heat. It's heat a lot, but it's really easy because I put fans. They only have one USB in the side and one USB in the side. If we remove the lacto, put it in the back, you can see Thunderbolt charging, HDMI card. That's all you have the laptop. But it's in the back. It's really looking nice. And that's it. If you like, subscribe to the channel and see you next video.